don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Steli 0. I'm joined by Mr. Gok.
Stibo kama Jam.
I'm Nandi.
Great.
Tango.
So we are my friends with Stibo.
Yeah.
Come subscribe and like my video with Stibo. Stibo, ekunzima ngena after tapes Stibo. Yes.
It's very difficult.
Alomchita pheka.
Yeah, too much.
Alomchita ngathi kuthi uhlala kuphi. Ngitravel na every day Stibo.
Yeah, akazikhulumele izinto.
Hayi.
Usave.
Thulile. Kunzima Stibo, Stibo.
Utazogrilla yini?
Ndoda.
Azokupheka for
Lomchita ukhohliza lalela Stibo. Next time ngiyamshiya.
Yeah, uyamshiya.
Yeah, personal.
Awusaba naye.
Ngiyamshiya.
Wasala next time.
Ukhila khona ama-chips akhona.
Stibo maras gele gaming kancane Stibo. Congratulations ngicela ngikhosi itolo.
Yeah.
Abadlali grand Stibo. They all deserve to win against Sitolo Stibo.
Yeah.
Coming to this game Vandag Stibo. Stibo angathi Santana ngathini kuye Stibo.
Yeah.
Santana please. For the first time ngikhana ngibona ucoach we Santana dlali football that I like.
Yes.
You know. Today he played for me a very football good top football Stibo, you know. Uchego Renasi Stibo. Fana Renasi mina for me like I'm saying I was like I always do Renasi. Understand? Like I was like Stibo, but that guy is Stibo compete.
I can play.
Player of the season is Stibo Yaitol.
Yeah.
You know. I'm looking at the likes of Ushaulile. Ushaulile Kwamel. Ushaulile. Ushaulile Stibo. Ushaulile Kwamela Bukerenas. Ushaulile Kwamela aphakamisa amasuku. If I can Sundowns don't benches too much. It's a good player. I'm looking at Mkwena Stibo, we are competitor for midfield of the season Stibo. I'm looking at now Netito, but I'll give it to Mkwena Stibo. Uswizi deserve the defender of the season Stibo. Sipochani deserve the goalkeeper of the season. But now in King Stibo, who's the coach of the season Stibo? Who's the coach of the season Stibo? Jose. That's my coach. I love Jose. I love Olina Parade. I want if I win it all. Me so compete in the center for coach of the season. But for me, honestly, it's Stibo. Nyamopo Cardoso. Cardoso, coach of the season. I'm going to say Kef. I'm going to say league. You know, and it's M10E. You know, but I want to say, let's go with Lisa Kumbula Stibo. Let's go with over 2 teams. In Jailing us Spanzela if they are final. In Spanzeli. Asambin to one next season. That's Ivan.
Tango member.